Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Pamela Catalanraon, ma'am. I am 40 years old, married, and have 3 kids. My eldest is 24 years old, and the second, my daughter, is 21 years old, and my youngest is 19 years old. Um, I've been in Hong Kong for 1 year and 5 months. I'm terminated, but I am still determined to find a new employer, ma'am. And my skills is I am good in cooking, ma'am, and I can take care of babies, child, and also I can do multitasking, ma'am. I can do ironing, cleaning the house, washing clothes, marketing, all around, mom. I can say all. I am good in all of that. And if you will hire me, mom, I will promise that I will do my very best and to finish my contract as well, and to looking forward for more, mom. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a nice day.